Abbie from App Sensation. I'm building apps for some nations. You like my apps? Subscribe to that and leave a comment and go have a chat. I have to go now. Let me go, really. Hello everyone, my name is Abbie from App Sensation, and I start this YouTube channel so I can share my ideas with you, my app ideas, and you can buy my apps, or you can, I don't know, you should use them. They're very, very good. So subscribe to my channel and I will give you a lot of information on how to build apps. And no, it's not very easy, but you can do it too. And I'd like to talk today about my first app, and my first app is called Cough Finder. No, Cough Counter. And I'd like to talk about my first app. My first app is called Cough Counter. I have the problem of coughing. I cough a lot. I cough a lot and it's very dangerous. You got to go to the doctor. So if you cough too much, you have to go to the doctor. So I built this app, and all you got to do is my app is on my phone right now. You got to cough. And then you know it says, oh, you're fine. Is nothing wrong with you. But sometimes it says, oh, it sounds very bad. You got to go to the doctor. So you can count your coughing every day, and you can also do competitions with your friends. So who coughs the most? You're a super cougher. And that's my first app. If you like it, come and download it. And actually, I haven't 100% built it yet, but it's on its way. It's very good. And if you want to know more about what I do, just subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you lots of information. And that's me for today. It's Abbie from App Sensation, and I'll see you soon. This is on already. It's not looking good. I have like a double chin. It's a very double chin. You come to this. It's a double. See this? See this? I should do an app on how you can train your double chin, so you don't have, This is my next step. I think I'm going to do an app on double chin.